Training a service dog is a journey that requires patience, consistency, and a deep understanding of both the dog and the tasks they will perform. While professional training is often recommended, there are many effective home remedies and techniques that can help transform your pup into a reliable service animal. The key is to create a strong bond between you and your dog, fostering trust and communication. Let's explore some fundamental principles and methods that can guide you through this rewarding process. First and foremost, establishing a solid foundation of obedience is essential. Start with basic commands such as sit, stay, come, and down. These commands not only serve as the building blocks for more complex tasks, but also help your dog understand your expectations. Use positive reinforcement techniques, which involve rewarding your dog with treats, praise, or playtime when they successfully follow a command. This approach encourages them to repeat the desired behavior. Consistency is critical here. Use the same commands and gestures every time to avoid confusing your pup. Next, socialization plays a vital role in preparing your dog for service work. Expose your dog to a variety of environments, people, and other animals. This exposure helps them become well-adjusted and confident in different situations. Take them to parks, busy streets, shopping centers, and other public spaces. The goal is to help your dog learn to remain calm and focused, regardless of distractions. Remember, a well-socialized dog is more likely to perform their tasks effectively in real-world scenarios. One effective home remedy for enhancing focus is the use of interactive toys and puzzles. These tools can stimulate your dog's mind and keep them engaged. By incorporating problem-solving activities into your training routine, you can improve their concentration and cognitive skills. Start with simple puzzles and gradually increase the difficulty as your pup masters each level. This not only provides mental stimulation, but also reinforces the idea that working together is rewarding. Another important aspect of service dog training is teaching specific tasks that your dog will need to perform. Depending on the type of service work you envision for your dog, these tasks could range from retrieving items to providing mobility assistance. Break down each task into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if you want your dog to retrieve a dropped item, start by teaching them to pick up an object on command. Once they've mastered that, gradually introduce the concept of retrieving it from a distance. Use positive reinforcement to celebrate each small success, building their confidence along the way. In addition to task training, it's crucial to teach your dog how to behave appropriately in public. Service dogs must remain calm and focused, even in chaotic environments. Practice public manners by taking your pup to crowded places and rewarding them for staying calm and composed. Teach them to ignore distractions, whether it's people, other dogs, or loud noises. This training will help ensure that your service dog can perform their duties without becoming overwhelmed. One home remedy that can be particularly effective for managing anxiety in dogs is desensitization. If your dog is fearful of certain stimuli, such as loud noises or unfamiliar people, gradually expose them to these triggers in a controlled manner. Start at a distance where your dog feels safe and slowly decrease that distance over time. Pair this exposure with positive reinforcement to create a positive association with the previously frightening stimulus. This process can take time, but with patience, your dog can learn to remain calm and confident. It's also important to incorporate regular exercise into your dog's routine. A well-exercised dog is a happier and more focused dog. Engage in both physical and mental activities to keep your pup in peak condition. Daily walks, play sessions, and training exercises can all contribute to your dog's overall well-being. A tired dog is less likely to exhibit undesirable behaviors, making training sessions more productive. Moreover, establishing a routine can significantly benefit your training process. Dogs thrive on predictability, and having a set schedule for training, feeding, and exercise can help your pup understand what to expect. Consistency in your training sessions will reinforce learning and help solidify the bond between you and your dog. Incorporate short, frequent training sessions throughout the day, rather than long, exhausting ones. This approach keeps your dog engaged and eager to learn. As your dog progresses in their training, it's essential to gradually increase the complexity of tasks and distractions. Challenge them by introducing new environments or situations that require them to use their skills. For example, if your dog has mastered retrieving items at home, take them to a park and practice the same task with more distractions. This not only reinforces their learning, but also prepares them for real-world scenarios they may encounter as a service dog. Finally, remember that training a service dog is not just about teaching them tasks. It's also about building a relationship based on trust and respect. Spend quality time with your dog outside of training sessions. Engage in activities that your dog enjoys, whether it's playing fetch, going for hikes, or simply cuddling on the couch. This bonding time fosters a sense of security for your pup, making them more receptive to training. In conclusion, transforming your pup into a service dog through home remedies requires dedication, patience, and a commitment to understanding your dog's needs. By focusing on obedience, socialization, task training, and building a strong bond, you can create a reliable and well-adjusted service animal. Remember to celebrate each small success along the way and enjoy the journey together. With love and perseverance, you'll not only enhance your dog's skills, but also deepen the connection between you and your furry companion. The path may be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable, creating a partnership that can change both your lives for the better.